Dynabrade is the industry leader in pneumatic abrasive power tools, with purpose-built products and innovative solutions that surpass any of our competitors and exceed our customers' expectations and highly specialized needs. Our products are used worldwide in industries such as aerospace, automotive, metal and woodworking, shipbuilding, and wind energy, and in a wide array of applications. From rough surface preparation like grinding and sanding to final finishing. We remain ahead of the market through innovation, the latest modern technologies, and a heightened sense of the end user experience. Proudly American-made and based in Buffalo, New York, we are a craft manufacturer which prides itself on quality control, performance and durability testing, attention to detail, and overall design that goes into every Dynabrade product we sell. We invest in this time because it's not just a tool, it's an extension of the person doing the work. Whether through ergonomics, minimalistic design, or our commitment to safety, we take pride in the things you may not see, but can certainly feel. And we believe that the perfect finish begins and ends with Dynabrade. For more information on Dynabrade products, please call your distributor or territory manager today, or simply go to dynabrade.com.